Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Klarna Card to your Apple Wallet. The first thing I want you to do is just launch up your Apple Wallet and then come here to the top right, click on this plus icon, and then I want you to come here and you'll actually see a debit or credit card. So your Klarna Card basically is a debit card. That is how you want to see it. So come here, tap on debit or credit card, and then click here on continue, and you can go ahead and scan this card right here, or you can tap here, enter card details manually. Enter the details of your Klarna card, right? Your name, your card number, things like that. Proceed further, expiration date, CVV code. After that, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Click here on agree, and then you just verify your card. So you can either do it via text message, email, right? And then you tap here on next once you've chosen it and do your verification. Then you can begin using it using Apple Pay. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.